Today's project is to modify this round file so it fits this scroll saw. This is the blade from the scroll saw. We're just going to change the file so it looks more like a blade on each end to the machine anyway. There will be some minor adjustments to make here and also at the bottom attachment point. So let's get started. I have the top blade holder from the saw here, and I wanted to open this slide slot here to 3/32 of an inch. So I've got a 3/32 drill here, and I'm just testing that, and it looks like it fits in. What I did is I put two of these wheels together from my my Dremel kit. They're 30 thousandths each, so that's about 60 thousandths. Putting them together gives them a lot of side strength, so you can move back and forth sideways without breaking them off. So that worked really well for this one. I just have to do the bottom blade holder off the saw, and we'll have both of them opened so that this drill, which we're using as a gauge, fits in. 3/32 drill. And as you can see, I have the file and the scroll saw blade sitting side by side, and I have marked with a magic marker where the little pins are. So this is where we're going to need to grind down slots in order for it to fit into the 3/32 holes that we've created on the top and bottom blade holding fixtures on the scroll saw. So there's our slot cut in one end of this, and to do that I wore out a couple of these things, so I'm going to try something different on the other end. I'm going to heat it up about where I want to cut into it here to make the slot, and we'll just let it cool naturally and see if that draws this back enough to be soft enough to use a parting tool to do the one on the other end. Looking pretty red. Might be okay with that. We'll just have to let that cool down now. Well, that worked pretty good. Soften that right up. Now we're going to check that parting tool, make sure it's right on center. There it is, right on. Okay, now we've opened both ends so they fit into the grooves, and we'll assemble this back into the scroll saw and see how it goes. Alright, everything is assembled. We're going to try it out on a piece of metal, see if it files. There it is. Not bad. A lot faster than doing it by hand for sure. We'll try that out on a piece of thinner metal, see how it goes. Well, it cuts through that a lot faster than it did the thicker stuff, but not bad. Okay, we put the blade back in. Take a piece of wood and just make sure that everything still works. Seems to be okay. And it stays in there fairly solid, so we haven't changed anything as far as the retention of the blade goes. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.